happy birthday kapatid Tisay. Ang wish ko sa iyo good health and stay pretty kapatid. Ingat lagi and God bless.
Happy birthday Tisay. Enjoy your day. Thank you. Nakilala ka namin sa pamamagitan ng Lukit Tambayan. Naging kaibigan ka namin dito sa Imo. Kung ano man yung pinagdadaan ng pagsubok sa buhay, lagi lang manalig kay God. Siya yung kasama natin. Ang family mo, kaibigan mo, basta ingat ka palagi. Kahit maikli man lang itong greetings ko, malaking bahagi na yan. Tisay, happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day. Ingat-ingat ka lagi.
Hi po sa lahat. Binabati ko pa si Ate Tisay na happy birthday. Nawa is mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Huwag ka pong maging malungkot ate. Nandito kami mga kaibigan mo para magpasaya sa'yo. Ayaw na ayaw po ni Kuya Jen na maging malungkot ka. Dapat lagi kang happy ate. Stay strong ate. And lagi mag-pray kay Lord. Wish you and lahat ng mga wish mo is matupad ate, and i-enjoy mo lang yung araw mo ngayon. And happy birthday ate Tisay. God bless you and mama and love.
Ayan, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Ayan, isang madaling pagbati lang no, mula kay Christian Lee. Ayan. Binabati ko rin pala ng happy 50th birthday. Ayan, si Tisay. Ayan, Tisay, happy birthday and more birthday to come, more kulitan sa BR. Tisay, masasabi ko lang, ingat ka lang palagi, and thank you sa lahat ng advice no. Ayan Tisay, again, happy birthday, God bless, bye bye.
Happy birthday.
Ayan, isang mabilis lang na pagbati para kay Babe Tisay. Happy birthday babe. Wish ko lang na marami pang birthday ang darating sa'yo. Pagkalooban ka ni God ng maraming blessings. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Love. And i-bless din ni God yung lahat ng family mo, mahal mo sa buhay. Yun lang kasi pabilisan lang to. Pupunta kasi ako sa work. And then, yun lang, love, babe, and take care always, and God bless you. Wala na akong masabi, promise. Ayun lang, love you.
Happy birthday and
the happiest birthday.
I just want to wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, brother.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka parate.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, God bless you, enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, God bless you and more days to come. May the Lord keep you safe. Enjoy your birthday celebration. Thank you.